Hey there. In this exercise we are going to design a basic shape. So we are using Onshape. This tutorial is for the absolute beginners. So as you can see, this is our workspace. So we have three planes here. This is their origin point. This is the features window where we can see all the elements which are here. And this is our toolbar. And this is our assembly window, parts window. So now if I need to see around, I can click my right mouse button and drag this thing to look around. Okay, I can use this tool here for the same purpose. I can use these faces for a specific view, or I can rotate this whole environment. So I'm going to click on front. This is our front plane. Now if I want to design something on it, I need to click on sketch first, and then you can see it will say select a sketch plane. So where we want to sketch, let's see, we want to sketch on front plane. I click on it. You can see another window here. Now we can sketch something on this one. So I'm going to import my image here. I'm going to click here, insert image, and then import, and then I'm going to click on my image. You will see an image here. I'm going to click on this image. With the left mouse button, I'm going to drag this image here. So I'm going to drag this near to the origin point. So this is what we have. Now we can start designing this shape. So for that I have to click OK for this sketch, because this sketch one is for the reference. I'm not going to draw on it. I need to create another sketch. With the same procedure, I need to select my plane. I'm going to design on the front plane. I'll click on it, and now I have a sketch 2 here. So I can start designing by clicking on the L key or the line tool, and I'll start here, design this thing, this line, then this line, and similarly this line, this line, this line, this line, then this line. I'm just tracing my image, this line, and then this line, and then this line, this line, and this line. So this is called a closed profile. As you can see, there is some kind of shading here. So now we can extrude this thing. First we need to make these kind of dimensions here. So I'm going to click on this dimension tool with the D key. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to say to 10 millimeters. Okay, now we have this. I need to start here and then click here. I'm going to see this. I'm going to change these to 32 millimeters. As you can see, similarly for this thing, if we want to, so I'm not going to do the dimensions. I'm going to just press Ctrl Z. I'm not going to change these dimensions. If you want to, you can. So I'm just going to show you the dimensions. Okay, you can change these dimensions if you want. Okay, so now as you can see we have our shape. If I want to extrude this thing, I'll just click on extrude and you can see a shape here. You can change its depth from here, or you can use this arrow button. You can drag this thing to change the values, but I am going to use this one. So this is our shape. Now we have this shape. I'm going to click on my front view and this is all we needed. Now we need to design the other part of this shape. I'm going to click on my top view because this is the top view. We need to make changes on these faces, this one and this one. So for that I need this reference image, sketch image on the top. For that I'm going to click on the top view and I'm going to click on my sketch one, right mouse button, click edit, and here I'm just going to change my plane. I'm going to delete this plane and click on top, and that's it. You have this plane, and I'm going to move this plane where I want this one. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and now you can see we have the shape and the plane here, and simply I'm going to click on sketch and then I'm going to select this time top view and I'm going to start drawing. For that I'm going to click here, draw this line and click on escape and draw this line, and we have this shape. I'm just going to drag this line where I want it around here, and I'm going to just increase this thing and increase this thing. We have this shape. Okay, I'm just going to do it manually. The tools are not working as I wanted. I'm just going to drag this thing, and this is what we have so far, and I'm just going to make this shape. So now I need to close these profiles. I'm going to click on it and close this one, and I'm going to close this one as well. Okay, now we have this. I'm going to click OK, click on my extrude tool. Now we have extrude tool. I'm going to select these shapes, this one and this one. As you can see we have these two shapes. I'm going to click on remove and you can see the cuts here. Okay, you can see the cuts here. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to click on top view and I'm going to make the circles here. So I'm going to click on this sketch 3, edit, and similarly I'm going to create these circles. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to draw a circle here as well. So these are two circles, If I want to make them equal, I'm just going to click on this circle and this circle, and you can see the changes. Click on it and then click on it. Okay, we have the same size circle. Now I want to align them vertically. I'm going to click on this dot and this dot, and you can see we have this one as well. So I am going to click on here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to edit my extrude tool and click on these circles as well. Okay, so and you can see our shape is ready. I'm going to hide my sketch one, and this is our shape. So this is all for today. If you like this tutorial, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and if you have any kind of query, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to support me, you can PayPal me for support. Bye bye. Have a good day.